Officials say overdose deaths in Travis County, including ones tied to fentanyl, are actually down for the first time in 3 years. Today, leaders announced new money for a new push to save lives. KVUE's Adam Bennett is live outside the Travis County Jail. And Adam, that new focus is on the inmates there.
Wait, that's right. That's because the county found that inmates are 8 times as likely to die from a drug overdose shortly after being released than someone in the general population. That's because when they're behind bars, they're not using, so their tolerance drops. But then once out here, the same dose that they used before with no problem could be deadly. This corner in Southeast Austin is one of several around town where Lily Hughes,
I used to be an IV drug user,
provides Narcan training, safe use education, and peer coaching to current users through outreach events like this one in May.
I get to do what I was never offered, which would have made a night and day difference in my health and in my life.
Hughes works with Texas Harm Reduction Alliance. The group does similar outreach to inmates at Travis County Jail.
All you need is dignity and somebody to talk to.
Executive Director Maggie Luna says those talks cover financial literacy and harm reduction.
The potency that you know may not be what you come out to.
On Monday, Luna joined county officials announcing a $1.6 million federal grant to expand medication-assisted treatment, peer support, and planning for care after the inmate's release.
The jail is already working. They do have some medically assisted treatment in the jail, but this is going to help expand that. It's really going to help save lives.
Overdoses are still the top cause of accidental death in Travis County. But the medical examiner says fentanyl poisonings have dropped 26%, and all accidental drug overdoses are down 19% in the first 7 months this year versus last year.
We do attribute that directly to a lot of the efforts that we've been doing as an entire community in terms of harm reduction, education, Narcan outreach, medication treatment programs. It's the combination of all of those things put together.
Lily Hughes welcomes the news.
I wouldn't be sitting here talking to you if Narcan didn't exist.
Still, she believes it's a starting point to a larger conversation.
Just talking about what substance use looks like from prevention to, recovery.
To save lives. Hughes also mentioned the need to expand work opportunities and legalizing testing strips, fentanyl testing strips. That's also something that Congressman Lloyd Doggett says he hopes members of Congress and the state legislature will approve too. Reporting live downtown, Adam Bennett, KVUE News.
Thank you, Adam.